Nanika lives in this 3-bedroom 1990s home with her sons Xavier, Nigel, and the oldest Isaiah, who handles a lot of the family responsibilities.
I manage the household. Basically, I'm the chef.
When I first bought this house, it was just 2 kids. Now we only have 3 bedrooms, but we have 4 people.
As her 2 older boys grew up in the family home, Nanika gave them their own rooms, which means
I share a bedroom with my 7-year-old son, and that is not fun. I need my own space. I need my own bedroom. I want something brand new, and I'm gonna get it.
There's no way my mom is gonna find a house so close to her job, so close to my brother's schools. We have a basketball goal and a trampoline that we jump on.
Everybody have a good time outside, but what about the inside? I need a bigger space. Everything about the kitchen needs to be updated, and it's so tiny.
But let's be real here. I'm the cook.
My son is an amazing chef, but he deserves a kitchen that he can use.
You're right, and we can do that. Throw away the kitchen and put a new one in. I understand we've been through a lot, and my mom had to make a lot of sacrifices, but I want her to be able to walk into this home and understand it was worth the struggle. Bigger, better, top to bottom.
I have a bold prediction. They need more space.
Well, they need someone for an ironing board.
They have nowhere to put stuff other than maybe here. Nope.
Okay.
So you can fix this, right?
Well, what do you mean fix it?
I don't know, put a little addition, like a little laundry addition.
Oh, now you've got me building an addition.
It only has to be 10 by 10.
That's probably bigger than the kitchen. What is wrong with you? It is tiny, but it actually, nevertheless, you tick all the boxes that are important to a kitchen. Oh, look, there's a freezer. Handy.
Handy, but shouldn't be in a dining room.
All right, look. This is a tiny, weeny house. We know that. And it's a struggle to make tiny houses work.
What is the list of must-haves to get you out of this house? And I believe I'm gonna be getting that list from you.
We need a good-sized kitchen because I love to cook. 4 bedrooms because
4 people.
4 of us. Everyone will have their own space, including my mom. At least 2 bathrooms, a bonus room, a newer house or very updated throughout, a garage, and something that's close to my mom's work.
Now, I've done an evaluation on your home, and the current value is $145,000. Once the work is done and it's updated as much as she can do, then obviously that's going to increase a lot, which is going to help you buy the house that you really need, the one with the garage, and the 4 bedrooms. I want you to think about that when you tell me what the budget is for the new house.
$225,000.
Okay. No, I'm digesting.
Ooh, processing. All right, so tell me what I have to do to convince you this house could work.
I need you to create a space just for myself, completely renovate and enlarge the kitchen, create more storage, improve the laundry area, renovate the master bathroom, renovate the children's bathroom, finally, update all the flooring throughout the house.
What's my budget?
$75,000.
Honestly, my instant reaction is it's just, how can I possibly do what you want for that money? But as I process, I think it is doable, I really do. I'm gonna take that money and I'm going to turn this house into something that you can't even imagine that it could be. And when I'm done, you're gonna love it. The bedrooms are gonna be divided if I can make it work. This becomes a much smaller room, and I'll back it up to give her closet, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, Nanika's bedroom 3, and then the existing bedroom gives us 4.
You're gonna have to draw this up and send it over to me.
That's how I roll. You'll see, it'll work. So here's my biggest challenge. This cuts everything off, as you can see.
Yes.
With this pantry gone, the kitchen's gonna get demolished and completely redone. And that will give me room to do a really nice big island that will substitute for so many things.
All right, first house tour for Nanika and Isaiah. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautiful kitchen. It's got a beautiful backyard that has a shed and a garage. I don't know how they're gonna feel about it, so let's find out.
Ooh.
All right, what's the first thing you notice when you come in?
The floors.
Yes. Hardwood floors throughout.
No carpet. Oof.
0 carpet. The kitchen is around the corner.
Ooh.
Nice, huh?
Yes.
It's decent. I like the gas stove, but it's limited on counter space.
It is a little bit, but I'm not worried about the kitchen. I don't be in there, so.
That's why it's only decent. I know the kitchen.
Isaiah, this is going to be your bedroom.
Oh, this is a nice size.
Isn't it?
Natural lighting again.
I love it.
Yeah, this is a nice one. I love it. I believe he did.
This is a better one. You got props for this room here.
Awesome. The master bedroom.
Oh.
It's about the same size as the other one.
When I was looking at what I thought were the most important things, 4 bedrooms, and done, and price. But based on your reaction, I can see that it's falling a little short.
With the demo continuing and a solid plan for removing the pantry, Hilary is feeling as confident as Isaiah.
In you come.
Oh, wow. The kitchen is gone. Oh, my gosh.
Hey, that's awesome.
Isn't it awesome?
I love it.
So let me just walk you through it. I have to leave the laundry where it is. I cannot relocate that. There's just nowhere to put it, but I'm going to make it nicer.
Okay.
This is still your kitchen area, but with this gone, it's now fully open to the rest of the living space.
Okay.
What I'm going to do to pick up the function, I'm giving you a great big island, and the island is going to go this way. And the way that's going to work is because I'm demolishing this.
That's where I keep all my storage.
The island that I'm going to give you is going to have storage beneath it. Now, it's not going to be equal to this.
No, 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 no. Rewind. No, it's not going to work.
This bedroom, this hallway, this room, and I can turn this into 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
Your bedroom would stop around here. The next bedroom is what's left of this and part of the hallway. It's a tight squeeze.
Oh, I don't know about that. It's already a small room.
So this is what we're stuck with.
It's definitely not going to work.
But you are on your own, and everyone has their own bedroom. It's the only way that I can do it.
This queen needs a king-size bed, and the room is too small.
If you want to keep this as your space,
My oasis.
you deserve to have that, but it's not an oasis if you're sharing it, is it? It's a shared oasis, so that's what we have to deal with.
You need to get more creative.
I don't have a single idea of how to make this work.
So I did a little calculation from where this house is to your work, and looks like you're about 8 minutes.
Not bad at all. Ooh, I already like it.
Isaiah, you came through this time.
So we move through your family room
Yes.
and into your eat-in kitchen.
Everything is updated.
Everything is
Yay.
updated, move-in ready.
Lots of storage.
Lots of storage.
Isaiah,
Okay. Open concept is nice in here.
I'm loving it so far. Ooh, look how big this room is.
I know. Your big king-size bed goes here.
Oh, my
Your
goodness.
sitting room where you do your makeup.
You gotta be kidding me.
I am not kidding you. And of course, this space is all yours. You will not be sharing this with Nigel. This house is listed at $315,000.
Well over.
Oh, Lord.
I'm having a really tough time finding a 4-bedroom house that doesn't need a lot of work and staying close to your budget.
I don't want to go over 250,000.
We'll see what I can come up with.
Thank you.
Does this next house for Nanika and Isaiah have the potential to be the one? Well, if 4 bedrooms is high on their priority list, then yes, it does. It's got 2.5 baths. It's got a beautiful kitchen. It's got a beautiful lower level. It's also going to give them a carport. And it's not too far from her work. Let's see how this one goes. Beautiful day to look at 2,000 square feet of house.
It's beautiful. It's nice. It's big.
Bedroom number 1 of 4.
Nice windows. Nice space.
Yeah. Your eat-in kitchen.
Ooh.
You've got the island.
Ooh.
You've got lots of storage.
You were listening.
I do listen
This
sometimes.
is nice.
I'm enjoying this kitchen. It's very nice.
Does this feel like a place you could call home?
Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$315,000.
What do you think?
$275,000.
This house is listed at $264,000.
Oh, wow.
Just a titch above the top end of your budget of $250,000.
I think this house has a lot of potential.
With the final touches good to go, Nanika and Isaiah are ready to see their finished home.
Hey there.
Hello.
Listen, before you come up, just tell me, what do you think of the paint now? Because you didn't really like it.
I'm loving it. It's fabulous.
Good.
I always liked it.
I know you did. I know you did. All right, come on in.
Whose house is this? This is absolutely amazing.
Oh yeah. Hey, look at your fireplace.
Oh my gosh, this
Look at how good it looks.
it's so amazing.
Take a deep breath.
I'm lost for words, really.
The back wall is now all cabinetry. This is sort of sophisticated, but still cozy.
Cozy, yes. Yes, this is absolutely amazing.
In comes the queen.
Oh!
Happy dance.
Happy
This is
dance.
like from a...
Magazine.
So, decision made?
Yeah, we've come to a decision.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to